These are the several ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency. They are: 1. Trading. 2. Staking. 3. Lending. 4. Crypto mining. And 5. Gaming. So let's start from number 1, trading. With trading, you can buy and hold cryptocurrencies until its value rises, then you can sell it for a profit. You can also engage in day trading, crypto day trading, if your goal is to make quick income. So with trading, you can buy crypto and hold it for a long time, then sell it when its values rises and make your profit. Also, you can also engage in day trading if you don't have the patience. You can engage in crypto day trading and make quick cash. But be careful. Cryptocurrency day trading are both high risk. Cryptocurrency day trading is very high risk. So please do not invest more than you can afford to lose. You can day trade the cryptocurrency market the same way you day trade the forex market. So you can day trade the cryptocurrency market the same way you day trade the forex market. This means that you can also use the same strategies that you use to trade the forex market to trade the cryptocurrency market on a daily basis. With this strategy, you can make quick income if you can study and learn the cryptocurrency market perfectly. So listen to what I'm saying. You can day trade and make quick income with crypto day trading if you can study the crypto market perfectly. So you have to study the crypto market before you start day trading the cryptocurrency market. A lot of brokers that offer forex trading also offer crypto trading. So look for a broker and register with them and start trading the cryptocurrency market. So those brokers that offer forex trading, so some forex brokers that offer forex trading also offer cryptocurrency trading. So if you can find any broker that offers forex trading, they also offer cryptocurrency market. So conduct your own research and find the brokers that offer cryptocurrency trading. So crypto day trading is the fastest way to make money with cryptocurrency. The second way you can make money with cryptocurrency is through staking. So with staking, if you are interested in holding cryptocurrency, you can stake it, or you can agree to pack it in an exchange, a crypto exchange. You can stake your cryptocurrency and pack it on an exchange, a crypto exchange, or in a staking pool for a period of time. You will also earn more crypto if you keep your cryptocurrency in an exchange or a staking pool, because doing this will help fund blockchain operations. The only way that you can earn crypto by staking is that you receive interest or dividends if you stake your crypto or keep it in an exchange, keep it in a crypto exchange. So once you store your crypto in a crypto exchange, you receive interest or dividends in the future. However, you have to commit to a period of time to lock your crypto in a blockchain, and this might be very high risk if you keep your crypto in an exchange. So keeping your crypto in an exchange can be very high risk. It can be very risky. So invest what you can afford to lose. The other way to make money with cryptocurrency is through lending. So with lending, you can opt to loan your cryptocurrency holdings out, allowing you to charge interest. So you can lend your cryptos, whatever cryptocurrency that you have, you can lend it out and charge interest. Sometimes you can charge interest with annual percentage that yields 15%, 15% or more. However, this makes your crypto less liquid, meaning it's harder for you to sell. Once you let your crypto, it's going to be difficult for you to sell that your cryptocurrency because you have lended it out. Also, another disadvantage of crypto lending is that many crypto lending platforms have struggled with liquidity in recent months. So, lending might be a little bit risky. Lending your cryptocurrency might be a little bit risky. So, lend out cryptos that you can afford to lend. Number 4, crypto mining. Crypto mining is another way to make money with cryptocurrency. Crypto mining is the computing process through which new coins are released into circulation. But not all coins are created through mining, but many are. Examples of cryptos that are created through mining are Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an example of crypto that was created through crypto mining. Crypto mining can also be profitable, but it requires extensive equipment and it is very energy inefficient, meaning that it's often expensive to get started and you might not make that investment back. So, so this means that you should have it in mind that crypto mining is very difficult. So, and it's also time consuming. Also know your local laws if you want to start mining for crypto because there are a lot of countries that ban crypto mining. So know your country laws before you start crypto mining. The fifth way that you can make money with cryptocurrency is through gaming. You can earn crypto through play to earn NFT games like Axie Infinity, Zedron, and Gods Unchained. So if you play these NFT games, you can earn crypto. You can earn free crypto if you play these games, such as Axie Infinity, Zedron, and Gods Unchained. So go and check out these crypto games, these NFT games that I just mentioned, to see if you can earn crypto. Once you complete the tasks with other players on those NFT games, you stand a chance to win crypto or NFTs. After winning, you can also reinvest your crypto into the game and hold and sell your crypto and make profit. Some of these games offer free demos, so you can try them out to make sure that you might enjoy them. But you typically need to invest in NFTs to play for profit. So research these games immediately and see if it's good for you or if you can earn crypto by playing these games. So research those games that I just named thoroughly to see if you can earn crypto from those games. So these are all the ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency. So choose one and try out. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you have any questions, ask me on the comment section so that I can answer them immediately. Also support me by liking and sharing this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online. Also remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest information about online businesses on this channel. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you can get all my videos as I upload them every day. Also try to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn other strategies, so that you can learn different ways that you can use to make money easily online. I have released several videos that will help you make money online with different strategies and tips. So watch other videos on this channel right now so you can learn how to make money easily online. Thanks for your support. God bless you. Goodbye. See you next video.